Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to show you guys. I actually don't think they intended for me to unbox these, but I'm going to because everybody who's watching can benefit. Thanks so much to BladeBinge for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I think some of these are, maybe all of them are available. I'm going to link them down at BladeBinge. You guys obviously should be checking out BladeBinge. Today's video is not sponsored by BladeBinge. Like I said, I don't think they actually intended for me to unbox these, but they do absolutely intend for me to give these away. Oh, nice! I want to keep this. Can I keep this? Is this for me? Do I have to give this away? BladeBinge, do I have to give this away? Can I keep this? This is cool. Okay, there's 3 knives in here, and I believe they're all. Surely there are all. No, maybe there's 4. There's 4 knives in here. All dark mode. So I do not accept sponsorships for regular content. I have affiliate links, stuff like that. I've had people ask, and I always say no, because sponsoring a review means that then like you control what I say for the video. That doesn't make any sense. So I don't, if you didn't know that, I've never allowed sponsors for regular videos or anything like that. BladeBinge was the first to reach out and ask about my live stream, and I said, well, it depends. What are you wanting me to do? He said, just tell people to go to BladeBinge, and then we'll give you knives to give away. And I was like, well, that's a no-brainer. That's a huge W for everybody. Everybody already likes BladeBinge, and the dark mode stuff is super awesome. And I'm just basically say at the beginning of my live streams, go check out BladeBinge. No problem. Happy to do that. But these are the knives that they have sent in for me to give away as a bonus on my live streams. If you don't know, every weekend, usually Fridays, I do a live stream where we just kind of hang out and talk for hour and a half. And at the end, I give away knives. It's usually I put them in mystery pouches. So I'm going to continue to do that, but in addition to those knives that I give away, and it's for everybody, not just channel members or patrons or anything like that. Literally anybody who shows up. Usually Friday evenings at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So in addition to that, BladeBinge is now supplying additional knives. I kind of slurred through that one. Sorry about that. Additional knives to give away, which is super cool. The first one here we have. Well, I'm gonna break that little quality seal there. We have something from NAFS. Is it a dark mode Lander 3 or the crossbar? I can't forget which version this is. But yes, oh wonderful! I love these color combinations. It's probably one of the coolest exclusive color combos I've ever seen, and nobody really had ever done it. Not to the extent that they did. Does this say here? Lander 3 dark mode. So the Lander 3 dark mode is in CPM 20 CV and has that super cool sort of robin's egg or Tiffany blue. I've heard it described a few different ways. The teal, it looks good with black, right? Absolutely epic. Love that one. I don't know that I have seen this one. Griffin Company. Let's see here. I'll try to... The page that'll be linked in the description will just go to their dark mode exclusive so you can see every single one of these that they've ever released, right? Oh, it's a little fixed blade. Cool. Oh, yeah, the Scout. Yeah. That's cool. I think I actually made a post. Griffin Co. So this is the type of fixed blade that I would EDC. What do we have for steel on this guy? Does it say? I think I remember seeing that it was actually something pretty premium. Does it say here? Here we go. So black washed plus carbon fiber. Magna cut on those, so that is super cool. Obviously comes with the little, neck thing. You can wear it's like a neck. I would take this off and put this whole thing in my pocket. That's what I would do. But you can wear it around your neck if you want to. Really nice that we have a lot of handle here and some jimping. I actually feel like I can hang on to it. Nice little EDC fixed blade, very cool. Every single one of these will be given away. And then we have from the Crispy Donut community. We have the Hanson WXL. I have also not, I don't think I've seen this one. Oh, yes, I have. Yes, I have. Awesome. Awesome. That's such a fun grind. It's such a ridiculous grind. S90V. We have the textured titanium, nice blue thumb studs. What you tell me what I should be referring to this color as, right? Because I haven't decided yet. Very, very cool. I love the texturing on the titanium there, and we've got the nice blue screws there. Nice pocket clip. Super duper fun. And then finally, we have... I should probably leave this out, right? We have another one from Devo. Is it? Oh, it's the Chaser. Yeah, another Chaser. So I think the first one that I had, I sent back because everything that they've sent me for review has always been a loaner. But now we've got one here that I can actually give away. So the Chaser, I'm going to leave that underneath there for the winner. Sorry, again, just had avocados. I feel like every other video I'm recording, I always just had avocados and they're always all over my fingernails. Sorry. This is also S90V. Very, very cool. Nice sort of diamond pattern right here. Captive pivot. And then this is the tab for the pocket clip. Nice choke up position jimping out here. Very, very cool. And we also have a liner lock on this guy. These are all super fun. Very happy to be giving these away. I think what I will do, if you guys were a part, I don't know when you're seeing this, but recently I did a live stream, and the additional knife from BladeBinge that I gave away, instead of doing it at the end, I did it in the middle. And I think I'm going to keep doing that. There's a trend, you know, by about halfway through, there's about 1,000 people in there. And there's always an additional 300, 400, 500 people who wait until the very end because they know that that's when I'm going to, you know, do the giveaways. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start giving away the BladeBinge stuff somewhere in the middle of the live stream. It's always fun when there's a ton of people in there. And I love engaging and talking with everybody. But you know, the people who show up for the whole thing and are absolutely dedicated, like those are I really want to reward those people for doing that. So I think that's what I'm going to do, and then continue to give away additional things at the end. But this was really, really cool of BladeBinge. And again, no idea if you guys intended for me to unbox this or not. Like I said, this particular video is not sponsored at all. But live streams for the foreseeable future will be, because it's a huge benefit to everybody watching for an additional chance to win something legitimately cool. And the only thing that changes about the stream is me saying check out BladeBinge, which is something that I authentically do recommend that you do. They will actually be linked in the description of this video as well. Thank you so much. These are awesome. Can't wait. I know people will be excited about this. That's going to be it today, guys. Please let me know if I can keep this. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.